Hello and welcome to the channel. If you want to know the basic info about your computer, this video is for you. In your Windows 10, if you want to know your processor, your installed memory or RAM, the system type, Windows edition, and computer name, here in this video I will show you where to find all these things. But before we continue, please, I have a request. If you want me to get rewarded by YouTube for the help, please kindly do me a favor. Below your screen on the right hand side, you will see this red subscribe button. Please support my channel, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. And without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. Thank you and God bless. So what you have to do is to go click on the start menu icon and then type control panel. Place control, then go click on the control panel up. So when you are here, as you can see, control panel, all control panel items, go look for system. I have it here, system. Click on system. Here we go. Right here you can see your Windows edition. In my own case, I have Windows 10 Home. Under system you can see my processor. Mine is Intel. You can see the installed memory or RAM. In my own case, I have 8 GB and 7.86 GB usable. I have a system type. I have 64-bit operating system. And under computer name, domain, and work group settings, you can see your computer name. Here is mine, and the full computer name here is mine. So that is it for this video. And equally, the Windows activation, under here you can see your product ID. Another way to check this information is to go back to the start menu icon, click on that, and then go type system. Here you will see system information app. Click on it